Hello everyone. Today we are going to. My name is Thiyagarajan from AML Department third year from Savita Engineering College. Today we are going to discover about the implementation of time series analysis and decomposition. Let me move into the topic. We are doing the process of time series analysis with Google stock price. Introduction. Time series analysis is a statistical technique that deal with time ordered data point that we know that. And the objective of this presentation is to find trend, seasonality and residual of Google stock price. The data that we are taking is Google stock price. From that, we have start date to end date. And we have focus on the particular column which is open. Then an open named column we are finding using the process opening stock price each day. We have opening stock price on each day. And when it comes to pre-processing, converting the date format into index, date format into index, and we have the missing dates because when it comes to stock price, we have only for business day. Other than the weekends, we have no trading, so that we have some sequence missing data. For that, we have to adjust. And then next, seasonal decomposition. First, we are finding the trend of the component. When we display the Google stock price, we observe that it shows an upward movement with some fluctuation. Fluctuation in the sense we have ups and downs, and the overall fluctuation is towards upward movement. That is the original data. That is the trend component we get for the long term movement. Um, when it comes to seasonal component, we captures the repeating pattern over a defined period. For example, if we have a week or a month like 30 days, we will find the repeating pattern and we are printing that and we are plotting that. And that shows the fluctuation. Then residual and confusion represent unexplained variation after trend or seasonal have been removed. Uh, After trend and the seasonal have been plotted, the remaining data that component will be residual that may be plotted finally. Mm, Fluctuations are small in residual. Conclusion we get that long-term upward trend in our stock price, Google stock price, and we have a regular seasonal fluctuation, minimal residual we will get. Let's go into the program. Here we can see that first we can import the libraries. We use pandas PD and numpy as NP, matplot for plotting that we use as PLC. From states model, we use that for seasonal decompose trend and residual that we can import from states model. First, we read the CSV file, Google stock price trend, and that file, and we are printing the head of the file. Convert date into index. We are having the date column, which represent date, month, year, that we are converting using date time, that format, and we are setting it as index. Next, we are taking the values, stock price open. We have the column called open in our data set that we are using for stock data, and then we are adjusting the missing value that I already told that um, for stock price we have business days. Only business days the trend value will be updated in the data. For weekend or weekdays, no values will be available. For that sequence, we are removing and adjusting the missing values, and we define the model decomposition with seasonal decompose, and we take the stock data that we already say. Open is the stock data, and we have model additive, and the period is equal to 30. Like seasonal, in seasonal we will use weekly or monthly or some time period uh, where we can fluctuate, where we can get the fluctuation, and we extract the component. We define that trend, seasonal, residual from decomposition. Next, next we are plotting the original stock price. Here we can see that we can figure the size of the plotting. And when it comes to plot, we give the stock data, that is the original stock price, that we give in title, and we give these two lines for plotting for visualizing, for getting the output. Like that, we are plotting the seasonal component. When it comes to seasonal, we give the orange color for the differentiation. Um, Here we can see that we have defined the seasonal, which gives the specific period fluctuation. And we have printed the trend also. We give the trend, the trend value, the original trend of the data will be displayed. And here the residual. Residual is already you know that after removing the trend and the seasonal, we will get that minimum fluctuation or that minimal component that can be plotted at the last. And we can finally see the output as this is the original stock price. We can see that from 2012 to 2017 we have this type of fluctuation, and when it comes to long term it shows that it is in the upward movement. We can see that in trend component it is accurately find that trend component. And when it comes to seasonal, we see this upward and downward movement. This is the fluctuation. This is captured for the period of 30 days. That can be plotted here. And we have the residual at the final. This is plotted. Other than the trend and seasonal, we have this value, and this is plotted. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.